or my rear shell here didn't exactly fit flush with the rest of the body. So now there are just a few things I want to go over before I complete the body portion of this build. I don't know if it's just my body that has these issues or if it's widespread, or if I'm just one of those unlucky ones that kind of got a little tiny bit of warpage in the body or whatnot. But my rear camper, or my rear shell here, didn't exactly fit flush with the rest of the body. So when I screwed this on, there was a gap between the shell and the body, and it was quite noticeable, probably like 2 millimeters or so. And I was able to see kind of open airspace between the shell and the body, so it kind of didn't look nice to see that kind of air gap between the two pieces. So what I have here is some double-sided, or not double-sided, but adhesive foam, and I used this adhesive foam and cut it down to make it look like trim, like rubber trim, to kind of get sandwiched in between the shell and the body. And it's this right here. You just kind of cut it to the length you need and the width that you need to achieve what I did here. And basically when I sandwich the shell to the body, it's going to look like rubber trim. So that's what I did there. Hopefully if you have this kit, you don't run into this kind of issue. Unfortunately I did. The other issue I ran into was the section right here. So these tabs mount to the rear bumper, and in my case what happened was the rear bumper, these tabs were really flush. They made the bumper really flush with the bottom of this body right here. But what happened was, it kind of, when you screwed in the body mounts on the side, I don't know what was wrong with the body, but when you bend the body backward, it cracks the door open. So my doors were not flush because basically my door frame was being bent out of shape. So I don't know if this is just particular to my body and no one else's, or if this is a widespread issue, or if it's just one of those unlucky things where my body is kind of a little bit warped. So what I had to do was I had to kind of Dremel these holes a bit and this is what it originally looked like, and I had to thin out the bottom so that the pegs can sit lower, or so that the body can be pulled up higher without being kind of dragged down like this when mounted to the frame. And that kind of alleviated my issues a little bit with the door frame being kind of bent and causing the doors to pop out. So just a few things that may or may not be an issue for you. Unfortunately, they were issues for me. So we'll go ahead and finish this body up and mount it to the chassis. Despite having a few issues with the body, I can definitely see myself scaling this rig out, and I can definitely see this becoming one of my favorites. So here it is, the Gelande II Defender D90 completed in stock form, and we'll just kind of take a 360 look at it. Alright, so that is the RC four-wheel drive Gelande II Defender D90 in stock form. I know scale guys will love it in this style, but as for myself, I like things to be a little bit more aggressive, so I can't wait to start getting upgrades and other parts added to this Defender D90. But other than that, that about completes this RC four-wheel drive Gelande II Defender D90 in its stock form. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for future videos on this RC4WD Gelande II Defender D90 Build Series. Thanks for watching.